Hello everyone. Just thought I'd share a few minutes of my sky around here. Looking a little stormy. You can hear the wind chimes in the background maybe. Got a little bit of snow the other day. Actually started raining, then it sleeted, and then got a little snow. So supposed to be down to 14 degrees tonight, and looks like it could snow again. It's chilly out here. Foxy said, "What are we doing, Mommy? You making another video?" I'm ready to go pee-pee or something. She's waiting on me. Come on, Mommy. What gives? So, God bless y'all. Stay safe. Put your trust in Jesus Christ. He's coming back. Bye-bye.